What's up guys, Eric from Beat-Sonic here. We have here a very special car, Craig's BRZ, full result Japan body kit. It's, I believe, one of the only one in the US, so there's no other BRZ like it. And I'm gonna be installing our phone holder today. It has a wireless charger, place your phone on there. It'll automatically sense the phone's on there and it'll automatically clamp down. And even the magnetic that charges your phone will auto adjust. So depending on what phone you have, it doesn't matter because it'll self-adjust and no longer will you have to fiddle around and try to get that perfect positioning of your phone because the phone holder does it for you. This is one of those type of modification in your car where it's very small, it's not that expensive, and it just makes the biggest difference in your car. All right, so let's step inside the car. Let's open up what our kit has. So by the way, it's a BSA63A. We made a separate introduction video on this, so if you want some details, check that out. And today we're gonna show you how it installs it. This is the phone holder. This is the stand. And here's the USB-C charging cable. And it also comes with very detailed instructions. So let's open this up here. Okay, so we got the tweezer. We got the adhesive alcohol wipe, and if your phone holder here to this L hook ever gets loose, then you can use these adhesive to tighten it up. So most likely you won't need it when you first purchase this, but later on as you use it longer, you may need it later on. This also comes with these protective strips. This is so when you mount this on here and if you decide to ever remove it, that your surface will be protected and it won't leave any residue and it won't leave any scratches from this plastic to plastic contact. So you can measure this out based on what the instruction manual says, or you can also just test fit it here. Okay, just place it on up here. So mind you, I didn't remove the double-sided tape yet. All right. So yeah, it's like a perfect fit. And what you could do is you could just put blue masking tape on here, right here, on both the top and the bottom so you know exactly where you need to apply it. All right, before we apply this protective tape, let's clean up the surface. Okay, so for us, just to be a little OCD, I do want to center this. So I'm gonna just eyeball it around here, and this is how we're going to apply it right here. Okay, next step, let's remove the adhesive. All right, perfect. All right, terrific. There it is, it looks pretty good. And what's cool about this, it has a lot of adjustments here. You can get it to the exact angle that you wish to have without being in the way for your shifter. Okay. All right, and let's plug this in. All right, so we tentatively mounted it like here. We route the cable to the passenger side around, and we plugged it in right here. So 2.1 amps. Okay, so if you want this to charge at the full 15 watt one, instead of plugging in here, I recommend you get a higher ampage USB that you can plug into the factory cigarette lighter jack, which will ensure that you get the full charging speed. So let me do a really quick example. So here's a charger. Place your phone right above it. It'll self-detect the phone and the arms will close and the phone starts charging. It's on here pretty good. It's not gonna come off. And if you wanna remove your phone, press on the release here and just remove. All right, let me show you how it works on a Galaxy phone. So same thing, place your Galaxy here, self-close. There it is, wireless charging. It's on here really good. Press the release it, and there it is. That simple. All right, so for this car, it's really difficult to have a pretty reliable phone holder. There's just not many out there. There's some of them where you can mount it over here, but it's really shaky. It's not very secure. And at the same time, it doesn't charge, right? So what's good about ours is wirelessly charges, no longer where you have to fiddle around looking for the cable. Just place your phone on the holder. It grabs the phone for you. It's very secure. And it also charges, and it charges pretty quickly too. And if you guys don't know already, BRZ and GR86, they share the same chassis, which means that this also works with the Toyota GR86. All right guys, thank you for watching our video of our installation and demonstration of our BSA63A. If you have any questions, drop a line, leave a comment, or if you haven't yet, help our channel, give us that subscribe, give us that like, it'll really help us out. Thank you very much, and see you guys on the next video for more cool products and cars.